Hi, I am Arina Webster. I am an intuitive healer and a medical doctor. In my previous video, I told you my story, how I used my intuition to save myself from a dangerous surgery. And I described everything I did in my book, in my new book, The Secret Energy of Your Body, where I describe the 7 steps to intuitive healing. But this book is not all. This book has a very interesting supplement. This book has the supplement which called The Secret Energy of Kala cards. So this is a cards, The Secret Energy of Kala cards. And I show you how to use them. These cards I use all the time on my clients, and it's very fun and it's very interesting to use them. Each card has different color, and each color has meaning. And every time a client comes to me, I shuffle the cards first and ask them, what color do you need today? So the client picks the color. Coral. I love coral. And the meaning is create a miracle. So, and this is not all. You can go to a little book, which is a guidebook, The Secret Energy of Kala Cards guidebook, an intuitive tool to healing and wellness. So you get, I got a coral. It is number 33. So I go to the coral and I read you a meaning for it. Coral, you see, it is all in nice color, called Create a Miracle. Coral helps to attract synchronistic events and helps to materialize your dreams. Very much relevant to me. It is a great grounding color and is helpful in restoring physical vitality, increasing longevity, calming emotions and bringing peace into everyday life. Coral also strengthens blood, regulates menstrual cycle, stimulates cell growth, and nourishes the nervous system. It can heal broken hearts and unrequited love. Wear coral color to bring more miracles and experience ease and grace into your life. And for every color, I researched a gemstone. So a gemstone for coral would be coral. Also for every color I researched plant or herb. And for coral it would be coral, bark, maple. Food, strawberry, rainbow trout. And smell. Every color is associated with certain smell. Tulip scent. And the music. Different music affect us in different way, and music energy associated with color energy. And I researched, I had a very interesting research done over many years, how music energy associated with colors. So for every color, you will find what kind of music to listen to. So for coral, for example, you can listen Tchaikovsky, Waltz of the Flowers. And you find this description of a meaning of each colors. It is 47 colors I described. I have in these cards. And each card has a gemstone, plant, herb, food to eat for each color, smell to smell for each color, and music, specific music to listen for each color. I love color therapy, and I believe color energy influences our life significantly, and we should not deny it. So these healing cards are supplement to my book, because in my book one of the steps, intuitive steps to intuitive healing, is to use color for healing. And these cards helps you to do that. So, to buy this card, you can go to my website, which you can see here, and please contact me. Please share your experiences. I would love to hear from you.